Guys, it's CP Films, and today I'm going to show you the unboxing of the Sony SRS-X11. So this is the speaker. It says NFC Bluetooth Sony. So these are the features. You can receive a call from the speaker. It is an inbuilt battery. You get micro USB for charging and a silicone strip. So this is the SRS-X11. So you can also pair two Bluetooth devices. So let's get started. So this is the speaker. You've got all the ports here, micro USB, audio in, reset button, and an add button to add more speakers. So you can attach the silicone strap here. There are also some buttons like the power button, the call receiving button, the volume minus and the volume plus button. So here's also an NFC tag here. So from here you can understand that if you pair two speakers, you will understand if this is working as a left speaker or a right speaker. So let's keep that for a side and let's take a look at what's else inside this box. So this is the box. So here you get the silicone strap. It's very flexible. You get the micro USB cable. And last of all, you get some paperwork. So it's the reference guide, and this is the startup guide. So that's it in the box. So if you want to attach this silicone strap, just put them in this. So this is how you attach it. Here, like this. You can use this while traveling. It won't fall off if you have in the So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So this is what you get in the box. This micro USB cable, the speaker, the silicone strap, and the paperwork.